Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website on WordPress. It's pretty easy to do if you have a template. So that's what we're going to do. You will need to go ahead to your plugins and then add a new plugin. And you want to install, for example, starter templates. Or you can just write templates and find some other template plugins, but I have installed the starter templates with Elementor, WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. So basically they have a lot of templates which you can use and then edit them and have your own professional website. So I'm just gonna go to plugins now, and here on starter templates I'm just gonna click get started. It should open up my WordPress website builder. So you can use AI website builder, which will build your website 10 times faster. You will need to fill out some information, but for now, I'm just going to choose classic starter templates. And now what we need to is to find a portfolio. So we can actually just write down portfolio. And here it is, photographer, web developer. Of course, these are the premium ones. So for today's video, I'm just going to use a free one, freelance artist. So for example, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use this template. And you can choose which one you like from the premium also, but you will need to pay. But you can actually do everything the same with the freestyle. Now I'm just gonna change the color maybe to this one, and let's choose this. And now the side logo, I'm just gonna upload it also, or just use it from media library. And here it is. I'm just gonna leave it like so. Let's continue. Now I will select some features. Let's do a donation, for example, and continue, and submit and build my web. So now I'm just gonna edit it with Elementor, and we will build a portfolio website with it. So now let's write down our name. So now I just wrote welcome to Soulstorm's Greater World, and for the style, when you choose typography, I just chose Montserrat font. You can edit it however you like. I'm just gonna leave it like so. And now let's write something here. And let's, for the style, do a black, I believe. And let's leave this font as it is. Now to change this, I'm just gonna click advanced, and on background here, I'm just gonna change the background to black and leave it like so. Also, maybe let's change the font, which you can find here on style and typography. And let's make it the same we did on this one. And that's how it looks like now. Here we're gonna write down maybe about me. And let's change it here. Also, we need to change the text color. And let's click update. Now also we need to change the image. Let's just search for an image for the art, for example. And let's choose maybe this one. Now let's change the image resolution. Maybe let's make it large. It looks quite okay. As you can see, there's already a shadow there, so I don't need to do anything really. Now there's about me, and for example, explore my work. Let's edit this one. So let's enter here my art portfolio. Let's change the color and also typography to the same. Again, let's write down something here. So now here it is, and of course you can change this. Now for the categories, let's also do some categories for our. Now let's add another category, like the painting ones. So you want to go ahead there back and add the text editor. So let's write down prints, add the style the same, and we also need to add this short code and the same to the, we can actually add just an image. So let's add an image carousel like so. And now we want to select images. So we're just gonna go here and select something from art. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna choose random photos. So for example, this one. Insert. Now again, you can add to gallery like so. Insert. And as you can see, now there are some photos. You can of course add more and you will have this image carousel. We need to change the background. So what you want to click on is go ahead here, click edit container. It will open up. You're going to click style, and here it is where you can find and change the color of your container, of your background. You can add your Facebook icons like these, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can create a portfolio website pretty easy. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.